वैसे मैं सीरीज़ देखता नहीं हूँ, बट आई थॉट ये जो सीरीज़ था ना रिलेटेड टू बिजनेस, सो आई थॉट या आई शुड हैव टू वॉच दैट सीरीज़, दैट इज़ स्कैम 1992, हर्षद मेहता स्टोरी. So hey everyone, hope you all are doing amazing, fantastic, awesome and whatever you can say that, and this video is gonna somehow give a lot more learning to you if you have watched that series Scam 1992, and if you haven't watched, that's still okay. You're gonna get a lot more value from this particular video. So let's get started. See, I watch very less series, and I have watched that one like Scam 1992, and it was like I have got a lot more like inspirational things, and I have got a lot more learning from that series. So I'm gonna share. The very first is that रिश्क है तो इश्क है. That was like, yeah, it's awesome. Like whenever you're going to take a risk in your life, there is a lot more. You're gonna get a lot more thing over there, but yeah, it should be for now. You have to be aware, much more aware, because you have to take risk, calculated risk in nowadays, right? That's what I personally believe, and for that you should have a mentor so that you'll take a calculated risk, what I personally feel. पर हाँ देखो अभी क्या होता है ना कि हम रिस्क लेने से डरते हैं. लाइक वी डोंट वांटेड टू टेक रिस्क, वी डोंट वांटेड टू गेट आउट फ्रॉम आवर कंफर्ट जोन एंड ऑल दोज थिंग, but we need to get out from those stuff. That should be necessary. Now like people think यार अब ऐसे तो रहे कि आके कुएं में कूद जाऊँ. No, it's not like that. We don't have to do like that. आप आके कुएं में कूदोगे तो definitely आप जलोगे ही. Obvious सी बात है. If you have that kind of protection or all those things, then you will be going to survive for some minute or some hour. I don't know, right? So that's what. But yeah, if you take a calculated risk, because that series or is all related to, you can say that share market or trading, so there you have to take a calculated risk as well. You should have some mentor to guide where you have to take that step or where you shouldn't have to take, right? So that's one thing, like take risk, but now take that risk in calculated manner. हाँ उस टाइम में हर्षद मेहता ने तो शायद कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क नहीं ले रखा था, बट या इफ यू आर गोइंग थ्रू दैट यू शुड हैव टू टेक कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क फॉर नाउ. नाउ लेट्स मूव अहेड, एंड द सेकंड लर्निंग दैट इट्स लाइक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट आई फील, एंड दैट्स ऑल अबाउट इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ हैविंग ड्रीम. एंड या आई जस्ट शो दैट उस बंदे, मतलब जो स्टोरी था हर्षद मेहता का, लाइक फ्रॉम अ लोअर मिडिल क्लास फैमिली टू रिचेस्ट पर्सन, एंड like because of the dream, because वो बंदा चाहता था कि हम he have a dream, like I have to do something, I have to like be something, like in this world I have to be something so that people gonna get to know about me, I am something, right? So he's having a dream, that's why he achieve a lot more stuff. So I recommend you should have a dream in your life that pushes you to do more, to achieve something in your life, and that's very important. That's what I personally feel. So what if you don't have a dream, for example for me, I'm having a dream but I don't have a long-term vision in my life for now, and it's my drawback, it's my flaws, but I'm you can say searching for that big thing, like a vision for my life, and yeah, very sooner I'm just gonna get it, that vision for my life and all those things. So I feel you should have a dream so that at least you have a direction that where you have to go. Okay, now if you talk about third one, is that like failure, and so great learning about a failure, and one of the dialogue of that series is that success क्या है, failure के बाद का chapter. And yeah, I mean like when he just started his business, at that time he lost 10 lakh rupees at the beginning. Like 10 lakh rupees is a big amount at that day. If you compare this day, it may be like 1 crore or 10 crore, I don't know, almost 10 crore kind of thing for now. So he lost that one, and like अभी क्या था कि उस बंदे का घर गिरवी था, उस बंदे का लाइक जो भी घर में क्या होते हैं सोने जवाहरात या जो भी होते हैं वो उसको भी लाइक ही जस्ट हैव given to some people to take money and just repay that 10 lakh rupees that he have taken, right? So you have to be you have to be ready for the failure in your life. You have to be ready for the failure, because failure gonna makes you more and more stronger. Failure gonna like show your real character, that who you are from inside. And that's super important. If you're getting a failure in your life, that's great, that's good. But now the most important thing is that don't be afraid that if you got any kind of failure, now you should have to take a next step and go beyond that failure. And failure is the next chapter of the failure is success. So if you're getting the failure, it's okay to have a failure in your life. Now next thing is that, like, overcome that, learn from that, and focus upon your next target, next goal, and whatever you say that. Yeah. Now next thing is that what I have personally observed over that, and even anyone who just have watched that particular series, that like होता क्या है ना कि जब आपके साथ सब कुछ अच्छा जा रहा होता है, सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा होता है, तो सभी लोग आपसे कनेक्ट होना चाहते हैं, सभी लोग आपके साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं, सभी लोग like they wanted to get with you and take a picture, all those things, like they just wanted to show I know this person and all those things. But at the same time, जब चीज़ें सही नहीं हो रहा होता है ना, then people don't care you. Either you are like Amitabh Bachchan or whatever, you can say that. जब like that's the thing. So like don't make those people in your life like who are not you can say good from inside. They are just for the sake of taking picture and having all those things. No, it's not like that. You should have your real friends, you should have your real followers, you should have your real whatever people, you can say that. It's super important, that what I have observed. like क्योंकि अभी क्या है ना कि सोशल मीडिया जो भी बोलो, तो लोग अभी आप अच्छा वीडियो बनाते हो तो हो सकता है कि आप लोग लाइक करें, ये करें, हाँ आपको लाइक बोलेंगे हाँ यार तो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, ऑल दोज थिंग, बट दे आर नॉट योर रियल फ्रेंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. दैट आई पर्सनली फील. Yeah, there are some of like who are supporting you, who are guiding you, who are giving a great or a genuine kind of feedback to you. They may be your real friend, rather than who just seeking for their own benefit, right? Next thing that I have observed from there, like जहाँ पे profit की बात होती है ना, तो वहाँ पे हर लोग आना चाहता है. Like I just wanted to be get more and more profit in that business, in this business, and whatever you can say that, right? But when there is some losses, no one wanted to get it that, because everyone just wanted to be uplift yourself. So you know what, हम like trading हो या कोई भी business हो, हम चाहते हैं कि 10 रुपये लगाए 1000 रुपये लाए, right? But maybe चलो आप 10 लगाए 1000 ला भी दो, next time be ready for that. Maybe आप 1000 लगाओ, आपके पास 500 भी नहीं है, हो सकता है आप पूरा का पूरे लॉस में जाओ. So be ready for that as well. Don't think like every time you're gonna boom and you're gonna bombard it with a great content and great anything that you have, right? You should have to prepare for that as well. Now next thing that I feel and I observe, like it's very important and it's related to somehow political thing and all those things. Like क्या होता है ना पॉलिटिक्स में, जिन लोगों के पास पावर होता है ना, जो सीट बोलो या वट एवर, तो लाइक जिनके पास पावर होता है वो बंदा यार कुछ भी कर सकता है. वो ये नहीं देखता ये सही है या गलत है. Most of the people, because they have a power, they can ruin your life and all those things. That's really not good actually. That's really not good. Like and like people forgot that stuff, that real meaning of their character and all those things. That's really not good, because they just wanted to follow some person who are, even they know that direction, that that you can say that instruction is not good. Still people are just wanted to follow, because why? Because there is some person who is an authority, who is in power, giving you direction, giving you instruction to do that particular thing. You just follow that. You don't take a step to go ahead and say no, I can't do that, right? Okay. Now next thing is I feel it's also super important. अभी क्या होता है ना कि ज्ञान की बातें, बड़ी बड़ी बातें, या जो भी बोलो हम सभी करते हैं, like you have to be this, you have to be that and all those things. but when it comes to you, then I don't know why our mind is not working. अबे हमें अगर दूसरों को ज्ञान देना हो, भाई अगर ये तेरे लाइफ में ऐसा हो रहा है तो वी आर ओके टू गिव यू अ सोल्यूशन, लाइक यू हैव टू डू दिस दैट दैट, बट व्हेन दैट थिंग कम्स टू योर लाइफ, then you feel like your life has ruined, your life has like you don't have anything in your life to do and all the great and a bad thing in your life, right? So ज्ञानी बनो यार, बस लेकिन सिर्फ दूसरों के लिए ज्ञानी नहीं बनो, खुद के लिए भी ज्ञानी बनो. When you start facing challenges and all those things, just accept that and just go beyond of that, right? So that what I just wanted to say. ये almost I think 11 minute का वीडियो हो गया, and I just wanted to give my genuine feedback or opinion about this particular series. I love that series, and when I just started watching that, I just start watching as a binge watcher, and I just have finished that one. I just started yesterday and finished in the morning, and yeah, it was really a great learning from that series. And yeah, definitely I just have to talk about all the positive stuff. There is some kind of negative stuff as well. अभी क्या होता है ना कि जब आप स्ट्रगल करते हो, स्ट्रगल करने के बाद आपको कुछ सक्सेस मिलने लगता है, देन सक्सेस comes with some kind of ego, attitude and all those things, right? वहाँ पे लोग थोड़ा सा, बहुत कम ही लोग उसको बैलेंस कर पाते हैं, बहुत कम ही लोग उस सक्सेस को सस्टेन कर पाते हैं, right? So it's very important, if you're getting any kind of success in your life, just be humble, be grateful for each and everything that you have today, or just you have got whenever every day, and whatever you can say, that be grateful and be down to earth. So that's what I just wanted to share from that series, Scam 1992 Harshad Mehta story, and it's really amazing. I suggest you should have to watch that series as well. So that's it for as of now for that particular video. I hope you got the value, and if you got the value, then please do share this video to other people so that they get benefited as well. And as always, keep smiling and be happy, and thank you very much.